Hello Majesties, welcome back to another tutorial. I've never done this on my channel, but I'm just going to review some new products that I got, and this is from Juvias Place. Some of my favorite YouTubers actually it's their holy grail, so I'm like, okay, why not try it? So this is the Zulu Palette, and I ordered this online, and yeah, it's very affordable, not too bad. And yeah, let's see. So this is like an unboxing. This is how the palette looks. Very colorful, and I love the aesthetic of it. And guys, the colors that I'm not mad at it. Like, I'm not mad at all. So this is the colors. These are super bright, and this is a shimmer. Guys, check how the shimmer. Okay, there again. Guys, check this out. This is like a pink. This is from Makeup Revolution, and this is in the color C4, which is lighter than my skin tone, like a billion shades lighter than my skin tone, because I want the colors to pop. From my transition color, I will start with, what I normally like to do is I go in with a nude from any palette, guys. And I'm just gonna go on my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with this yellow as my transition color. Fluff it out. And I'm gonna hold your brush closer to the edge. This is very smooth and delicate, as opposed to holding it here. Like, you might apply it with a lot of force, and you know, we want to be soft and light. I'm just gonna stamp the color. Remember, this is my transition color, so this is the color that enables you to do that fade, or rather the ombre effect. So as you can see, I'm not focusing on the brow bone. I'm like just above that crease, just above where this brow bone ends and my eyeball starts, just in between that curve. I'm gonna take this orange now, just a little bit, to help with the transition. I'm just gonna go in with this brown. What I found is that, okay, of course you need like a lot of brushes, or you know, but if you don't have, guys, I've been using one brush and I wipe it off with like a dry wipe. Makeup should be fun and not complicated. That outer V, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the color C4. I'm gonna do a cut crease, but not an actual cut crease. Just I'm gonna fake a cut crease rather. I'm gonna go in with this flat brush, and I dipped some product there. And I'm just gonna stamp it. So it doesn't have to be neat, ne? But you do want to give it a shape, but not like your normal cut crease. This is very nice because you can even go higher than where you would normally put your cut crease. It's giving my eyes some definition. This is contour colors, and I'm gonna take this nude. This is like the lightest shade, and I'm just gonna dip into it, set that concealer. I'm gonna go in with that brown again, and place it there. I'm just gonna take a darker brown just to create the illusion of a liner. Then I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder pencil. This is in the color Light. It's gonna go on my waterline there. Guys, look at the difference that made. Can you see that? This eye looks wider than this one. So you might want to invest in one of these. I'm going to use my Essence mascara. This is I Love Extreme. Yeah, this one. I'm going to use my Chestnut liner. Get this Mega Last Liquid Catsuit, and this is in the color Coral Corruption. Guys, look at that. Look at that. It's kind of giving me a lot of peach vibes. This would be a super nice color for a wedding. But right now I want it to be toned down, like toned all the way down. I'm gonna use my Maybelline, and this is, I think it's Seduction. I forgot the name, guys. The number just wiped off. Essence Lip Gloss. It's called Lip Plumping something, and I just want to go generously with it on top. It goes really well with like matte lipsticks. I kid you not. This combo will last for like the whole day. This is the final look.